Hey guys, back at the Grizzly here. I got to the point where I needed to make a mount for the rear end. Like a lot of these old Grizzlies, these bolts come loose, and this is the result basically. These both used to be wider. And the last guy that had the bike made a bracket skinny, the appropriate size to fit this. I just left that one on the back. The front one was fucked, so I made this instead. I figured out that this face was right in line with that pipe that I added brass member, so I figured I'd make this plate up. I just found something the size of this little boss here. Use it to trace it onto my plate. Then I took these bolts out to get the location of these holes. I just took a paint marker and just kept dabbing it like that all the way around until I had a good puddle on each one. You can see what's sort of left there. And then I just took it and carefully laid it down where it was going to be to get that paint on. Give me my. It worked out. It gets you close. So it worked out really good in this case. I beveled in there just so it fits tight around there. There's another small lip on the bottom, just so clear as that. I beveled the bottom just so when I weld it, I'll get a good penetration. Now I'm just going to take it over to the bike and sit it in and see where it wants to be. Get it clamped in to weld. I'll slip that in. Yeah, these are the brackets that somebody else made. I just left them for now. Probably forever. Yeah, she's mint enough. Sure. This fucking bolt goes through like that. When you try and adjust it, it don't go where you want it to. You can see this plate's nice and even on there. Like there's no gap anywhere. If you look through the way you can see light through the two, it's all the exact same straight across. So this whole girl, it's mint. Got that where I want it, and got the welder cranked up. I'm just gonna put a few good tacks on it, and then I'm gonna pull the diff out of there and weld the rest of it up. This was the thing on the Grizzlies. I put this pipe in yesterday. This pipe rotted out and the bolt hole problem. This is a pretty easy fix, I think, for a common problem. You could even make that plate come straight down and put a couple U-bolts around it if you had no welders, say. Yeah, both pieces of steel here are really heavy, so I'm trying to put some heat into her with the welder. Alright, so I got that diff out of the way. And I finished welding this side here. I'll probably put a couple tacks on this side. And weld the top of these pipes from when I had it flipped over before. Hey guys, that's the bracket all welded in now. Tops of my pipes welded. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. It's gonna flop around or anything as it used to. It's a good little fix for if the bolt hole of your diffs are broke off, you can rig something like this up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.